AI for work efficiency and professionalism. Are you ready to unlock a new level of productivity and professionalism using the power of artificial intelligence? This video will guide you through practical AI applications that can revolutionize your workflow. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a present-day tool. It's transforming how we work, offering solutions to streamline tasks and enhance decision-making. AI encompasses a range of technologies, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. These technologies can automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and provide valuable insights. Effective communication is crucial for professional success. AI can significantly improve your communication skills and efficiency. AI-powered writing assistants can help you craft clear, concise, and professional emails and reports. They can also check grammar, suggest improvements, and even tailor your tone to the audience. Real-time translation tools break down language barriers, enabling seamless communication with international colleagues and clients. This fosters collaboration and expands your global reach. Many professionals spend a significant amount of time on repetitive tasks. AI can automate these tasks, freeing up your time for more strategic and creative work. AI-powered scheduling tools can automate meeting arrangements, considering everyone's availability and preferences. This eliminates the back-and-forth emails and saves valuable time. Data entry and processing can be automated using AI, reducing errors and improving efficiency. This allows you to focus on analyzing the data and extracting meaningful insights. Data is a valuable asset, but analyzing it can be time-consuming. AI can help you extract insights from data quickly and efficiently. AI-powered analytics tools can identify trends, patterns, and anomalies in your data. This helps you make data-driven decisions and improve your business outcomes. Predictive analytics can forecast future trends, allowing you to anticipate challenges and opportunities. This gives you a competitive edge in the market. Managing projects effectively is essential for success. AI can help you plan, track, and manage projects more efficiently. AI-powered project management tools can automate task assignments, track progress, and identify potential risks. This ensures that projects stay on track and within budget. AI can also analyze project data to identify areas for improvement and optimize resource allocation. This leads to better project outcomes and increased efficiency. While AI offers numerous benefits, it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. Consider the potential biases in AI algorithms and take steps to mitigate them. Ensure data privacy and security when using AI tools. Comply with relevant regulations and protect sensitive information. Remember that AI is a tool to augment human capabilities, not replace them. Focus on using AI to enhance your skills and improve your overall performance. AI is transforming the workplace, offering unprecedented opportunities to enhance efficiency and professionalism. By embracing AI tools and best practices, you can unlock your full potential and achieve greater success. Ready to take your career to the next level? Explore the AI tools mentioned in this video and start experimenting with them in your daily workflow. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on leveraging AI for professional growth.